Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, the wonderful adornments of the leaders of the worlds. The King of Truth reposes in the palace of sublime reality. The light of the reality body illumines everything. The nature of reality is incomparable and has no marks. This is the liberation of King Ocean Sound. Furthermore, the celestial king, sovereign freedom, had found the door of liberation of the treasury of freedom, manifestly developing and maturing innumerable sentient beings. Celestial King, Sublime I, Lord, found the door of liberation examining the pleasures of all sentient beings, and causing them to enter the pleasure of the realm of sages. Celestial King, Beautiful Jewel Banner Crown, found the door of liberation causing all sentient beings to initiate practices according to their various inclinations and understandings. Celestial King, Courageous Intelligence, found the door of liberation holding together all the doctrines preached for the benefit of sentient beings. Celestial King, Wonderful Sound Phrases, found the door of liberation, remembering the compassion of the Buddha and increasing progress in his own practice. Celestial King, Subtle Light Banner, found the door of liberation of manifesting the door of great compassion and smashing down the banner of all pride and conceit. Celestial King, Realm of Peace, found the door of liberation conquering the malicious attitudes of all people. Celestial King, Array of Splendid Discs Banner, found the door of liberation of all the infinite Buddhas of the 10 directions, coming whenever they are remembered. Celestial King, Flower Light Wisdom, found the door of liberation of everywhere manifesting perfect enlightenment, according to the minds and thoughts of sentient beings. Celestial King, Sublime Light of Indra, found the door of liberation of independence of great awesome power to enter all worlds. At that time, the Celestial King, Sovereign Freedom, imbued with the majestic power of the Buddha, surveyed all the celestial hosts of the heavens of freedom and said in verse, "The Buddha body is all-pervasive, equal to the cosmos. It manifests in response to all sentient beings. With various teachings he is always guiding. Master of teaching, he is able to enlighten. Of the various pleasures of the world, the pleasure of holy tranquility is supreme. Abiding in the vast essence of reality, Sublime I sees this."